As we move further into spring, we're seeing more change in the Ocean Shore's real estate market. In this video, we're going to talk about facts and figures from April and give you our perspective about what may be driving those numbers. So let's get into it.
This month, we saw the Ocean Shore's median sale price at $399K, which is up 34% year over year. But that stayed level from last month, where we also saw it at $399K. For the region, we're seeing home prices start to level out.
We're seeing 40% more listings at 62 this year than we did last year. 42 homes were sold, which is up almost 44% year over year. But we are still seeing lots of for sale signs on existing homes and vacant lots, and an average of 22 days on the market compared to 6 days last year. Average sales price of $417,000 is up 26% year over year, and buyers are paying an average right at the list price, which has been the trend these last 3 months. We are still seeing lots of new construction going on in this area, mostly single family homes. And Michaela, what are we seeing in terms of new construction?
Well, we're not seeing a huge demand in new construction homes like we were, and we have a larger supply than we've seen since last summer. For April, we're seeing 13 new construction listings compared to last year where we saw 10. That's up 30% from last year, and we're also up from the month prior at 10. Also, new construction homes are taking longer to sell with an average of 79 days on the market compared to the last year at just 10 days. By the way, if you're liking this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.
Since last year, we've seen quite a decline of vacant lots being listed. In April, 49 lots came on the market, which is up from the previous month of 40. But April 2021, we saw 85 lots, so we're down 42% year over year. The median sales price is $66,000, which is up from the previous month of $57,000. April of last year, the median sales price was $59,000, so we are up 11%. But since prices have gone up, we aren't seeing as much of a demand. Lots are staying on the market longer, and this April showed only 17 lots sold compared to last year at 62.
Wow. According to a report from Vacasa, Ocean Shores is still the nation's best place to buy a beach house or even buy a vacant lot to camp on it. There are so many cleared lots that were made for you to bring your RV and camp out 90 days out of the year. If you don't mind spending a little bit more, you can find a canal front or sometimes even a lakefront lot. But no matter where you purchase your lot, you're always just a quick walk or drive to beaches, parks, and the Ocean Shores Community Club. And membership is included in most property purchases.
Ocean Shores has always been a popular tourist spot and a popular location to purchase a vacation home, especially during the pandemic. But demand for second homes slipped in March for the second month in a row, in fact, according to a new report by Redfin. The decline in demand suggests that even vacation home buyers are being priced out by rising mortgage rates. But it's not slowing down those buyers who come with cash. Cash buyers make up a big portion of the second home market, and mortgage rates won't make much difference to them.
Mortgage rates have been on a general upward trend for over a year, and in the last few months, they've taken a big jump higher. The average rate for a 30-year fixed mortgage started off this year at a little over 3%, and now it's creeping towards 6%, and it isn't just borrowing rates. Starting April 1st, the Federal Housing Finance Agency raised upfront fees for loans on second homes from 1% to 4%, significantly increasing their total cost. Combine that with the rising rate of inflation, and you just get buyers that are thinking twice or they're maxed out at this point.
Inflation is at its highest number in 40 years, and this has many people on edge, especially those looking to buy a home. For some buyers, that might mean buying a home at a lower price point, and for others, it may mean putting off that home purchase entirely. But to be clear, high inflation does not mean home prices are going to drop. In reality, it just means that the rate of growth will most likely slow down. But we know that many people have been wondering things like, are we entering a housing bubble, and will the market crash in the near future?
If you're waiting for a major downturn in order to get a cheaper home, don't get your hopes up. Most housing experts are predicting the market will remain strong for a while for several reasons. We won't get into all of those reasons in this video, but if you'd like us to make a video on this, drop a comment down below. One big reason is that first-time homebuyers are among the largest group of new home buyers at 31%. And most first-time homebuyers are younger than 40, which means the buyer pool is deep and a good indication that demand will remain strong.
But for those existing homeowners that are retired or who work strictly from home, now may be a great time to sell your home near the city to take advantage of high home values and relocate to where homes are still affordable. And many people are doing that and making the move to smaller towns like Ocean Shores.
We hope this video was helpful to you, and if you know anyone who's interested in buying a property in Ocean Shores, we'd love to be your real estate resource. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions you may have. Also, if there's a video about Ocean Shores that you'd like to see, drop it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.